Very good morning to all the students of class 5th. As in the previous video, we have started the lesson number 2nd of English grammar. The name of the lesson is articles. It is given on page number 8 in your book. Okay, so I have already taught you about the articles a or an. Okay, a and an, and today I am going to teach you about the article the. Okay, so here we will start. We use the when it is clear which thing or person we mean. हम द कब यूज करते हैं? जब हमें पता होता है कि किस चीज के बारे में या किस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं. ओके, अगर हमें पता है हम पर्टिकुलरली किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, देन वी विल यूज द. जैसे द फ्लोर ऑफ अ रूम. ओके, in a room particularly we are talking about the floor, the ceiling, the door, the light, then we will use article the. Okay, of a house, if we are talking about a house, and if we are particularly talking about the roof of that house, the garden of the house, the kitchen of the house, or the bathroom of the house, then we will use article the. Okay, mom is in the kitchen. mummy kahan hai? kitchen mein hai. We know that particularly mummy is in the kitchen and the kitchen is in the house, then we will use the kitchen. Okay, turn off the light and close the door. We are talking about a room and we are talking or we are commanding someone to turn off the light. Particularly we are talking about the light, then we will use the along with light. Okay, do you live far from the station? We are talking about the station. Okay, तो हम पूछ रहे हैं क्या तुम उस स्टेशन से ज़्यादा दूर रहते हो? So particularly we are talking about the station, so we will use the. Okay, we use the in the following cases also. हम the इन और जगहों पर भी use करते हैं. To speak of a particular person or thing. Particularly किसी व्यक्ति के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं या फिर किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और वो एक ही है, then we will use the. Let us go to the lotus garden. चलो हम lotus garden में चलते हैं. The lotus garden we have used the here because lotus garden is a particular place or particular name of a place. She is the girl who won the prize. यह वह लड़की है जिसने प्राइज जीता है. So we know that we are talking about a particular girl or we know that about whom we are talking, then we will use the. We do not use the when we are talking about something in general. हम the का use कभी भी नहीं करेंगे जब हमें पता है कि हम जनरली किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करें. For example, butter is not good for us, for you. Okay, जनरली हम बोल रहे हैं कि बटर तुम्हारे लिए अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है. The butter is in the fridge. If we are talking about the fridge particularly, then we will use the butter. वो जो butter है वो कहाँ रखा है? फ्रिज में रखा है. With a singular noun to represent a whole class. और हम the का यूज़ किसके लिए करते हैं? सिंगुलर नाउन को रिप्रेजेंट करने में पूरी क्लास के बदले. The rose smells sweet. Okay, here we are talking about rose. Okay, so we are talking about all the roses. Okay, so we will use the rose. The cow is a useful animal. We are talking about all the cows. Okay, then we will use the cow. Okay, but when we use man or woman for the whole class, we never use a, an or the with it. हम जब भी अगर मैन और वुमेन के बारे में बात करें, देन हम कोई भी आर्टिकल यूज नहीं करेंगे. विथ सुपरलेटिव्स एज, हम जब भी कोई सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज करते हैं, देन वी विल यूज द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. बेस्ट इज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ गुड. ओके, सो वी विल यूज द विथ ऑल द सुपरलेटिव्स डिग्री. बिफोर एन एडजेक्टिव व्हेन द नाउन इज अंडरस्टूड, जब हमें पता है कि हम किस नाउन के बारे में बात करें, देन वी विल यूज द. ओके, विद द नेम्स ऑफ सैक्रेड बुक्स एज. ठीक है, जितनी भी धार्मिक बुक्स हैं हम उनके बारे में अगर बात कर रहे हैं और हमें पता है कि वो पर्टिकुलरली हम किस बुक के बारे में बात करें, देन वी विल यूज द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द वेदास, द पुराण, द रामायण, द बाइबल और द कुरान. विद द नेम्स ऑफ नेचुरल ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर यूनिक. ऐसी प्राकृतिक चीज़ें जो यूनिक हैं, हम उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, देन वी विल यूज द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सन, द स्काई, द ओशन, द सी, द अर्थ. ओके, विद द नेम्स ऑफ रिवर्स, सीज, ओशंस, गल्फ्स, ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स एंड माउंटेन रेंजेस एज. जब भी हम किसी नदी, तालाब, समुद्र, इन सब के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो भी हम यूज करेंगे द का. जैसे द गंगा, द यमुना, द इंडियन ओशन, द पर्शियन गल्फ, द अंडमान, द हिमालयस, द अल्प्स. ओके, so these are some rules of using article the. Now we will solve the book exercise. Question number 1, put the at suitable places in the following sentences. आपको इन sentences में जहाँ दाल लगाना है. Okay, हम पहले rules पढ़ चुके हैं. So we all know that where we have to use the sun sets in dash west. West is particularly a name of a direction. Then we will use the west. There is no sugar in the pot. Particularly we are talking about the pot, so we will use the pot. How beautiful stars look. We are talking about stars, then we will use the, because stars are the unique object of earth. Moon was not shining in sky. Moon is a natural object of earth and it's a unique object, then we will use the moon. Okay, sky is also the natural object, then we will use the sky. Who is captain of your team? Particularly we are talking about the captain, then we will use who is the captain of your team. There was a shop at corner of street. Particularly we are talking about the street, we know that about which thing we are talking, so we will use the street. Okay, because particularly we are talking about that street. Question number 2, choose the correct alternatives. Here are some options given. You have to choose the correct option. 1, Rosie is outside in the park. A park or the park. We know that we are talking about the park, then we will use the park. There is dash in our colony. There is dash in our colony means there is only one park, then we will use a park. Who is dash on that bike? उस बाइक पे वो कौन व्यक्ति है? Then we will use, we are talking about only one person, particularly we are talking about that person, then we will use the man. There was dash on the bike. Okay, उस टाइम पे was, it means we are talking about the past thing, then we will use a man. Okay, उस बाइक पर सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति था और हम past के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then we will use a man. Okay, question number 3, add articles a, an or the. Where a, an or the are suitable to use, we will use a, an or the in the following sentences. There the dash dog at dash gate. There is one dog, it means we will use a dog. Particularly we are talking about that gate, then we will use the gate. Okay, dash photograph is on dash wall. The photograph. Okay, particularly we are talking about that photograph, then we will use the photograph of the wall. Okay, dash old man. Here we have used an because old is starting with the vowel o, so all the vowel words which are starting, all the words which are starting with the vowel o, then we will use an. Okay, there is an alarm clock on the cupboard. Alarm clock, here the word is starting with a. Okay, so we will use an in front of alarm. If we are particularly talking about the cupboard, then we will use the in front of that cupboard. Okay, so this was lesson number 2 of class 5th. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.